Inside of my online resource for new nurses. I love training new nurses, and I think a lot of you aren't getting as much training as you need, so that's why I created this. So this is the online platform. Here is what it looks like on the inside when you sign in. And in the printables to take to work, let me show you what I've got here. I have IV push meds, medical terminology suffixes, how to organize your shift, and then report sheets for nearly every department. Now, this is the ins and outs of being a floor nurse. I have a downloadable ebook version of this, but I've got running a code, head to toe assessment, EKGs made simple, common labs and tests explained, how to master an IV, and how to manage your shifts so you never fall behind. Now, this is the non-patient-y sides, how to manage your stress, perfecting your skills, how to handle gross stuff, difficult coworkers, medical errors, incident reports, stuff like that. And I have a whole section on ICU that's going to be super helpful if you go into ICU, neuro or cardio, any version. Like drips, I've got transvenous pacings, how to do balloon pumps, Swan Gans. I mean, literally everything you need to know for ICU. And then this is finding your voice, how to speak up, how to initiate report, talk to doctors, talk to family members, what to say in nearly every scenario. Then we've got some nursing school content review. I just want to make sure you know some of this stuff. Sometimes you go through it really quick in school and just need to be reminded of some things. For example, if you go into labs, this is kind of a little review of CBC, electrolytes, all that kind of thing. And there you go. That's everything in it.